Alright, so right now, Hungry Helper Jake and I are starting the process of making some fresh pasta for our lasagna. We're making a vegetable and a meat lasagna, and we're going to be making the whole thing from scratch. Jake, you excited for the process?
Pumped. Trust the process.
Trust the process. Alright, so now what we do is you can crack the eggs however you like.
Okay.
You can do it on the side of the table. I've gotten better at this.
Damn.
One piece of it off. Be careful with this one. Big container will pour fast.
Once you've added all the ingredients to the flour, go ahead and mix it all together. Try and incorporate all of the flour with the egg. It's kind of like making scrambled eggs, except you're doing it in flour.
How's it going for you so far?
Going. It's going. Eggs are flowing and we're going.
You ever make pasta dough before?
Never like this.
I'm a little ahead of you, but you can probably start to do it and it'll start coming together a little bit more. But it's really, like, I'm picking it up, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm taking it down. Fold.
Oh, folding. Okay.
Fold. You push down. It's 3 steps. You gotta listen for all 3 steps. You take it, you fold it, you push it down, you lift it up, and you turn it 90 degrees.
Okay. Make it into a ball. Pick it up. Pushing it down.
Okay.
Then we're folding it.
Yep.
Oh, it's not working too well.
Well, you're using your fingers a little too much. Like,
Okay.
again, one push, Jake. One push.
One
You keep
push.
doing that. So after you do that, you push it down once.
Fold it.
And then, no, rotate it again.
Rotate it. Rotate it. Rotate it.
Yeah, fold. Push it down. And then you start again. So you rotate it, fold, and you push down.
There we go. Okay.
Good, good. And now one push. That's all it
Rotate
takes.
it. Fold.
Push.
Push it down.
Rotate, fold, push.
Mechanical over here.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be you see how like stiff they are though?
Yeah, it's very stiff.
I think you can probably pause with that one for now.
After doing all the dough preparation, go ahead and start chopping all your vegetables for the vegetable lasagna. I'm going to be making a vegetable and a meat lasagna. They're both very tasty.
Ooh.
That's okay. That's okay. Just put it right in.
Yeah, try to spread it around.
Yeah, we're gonna have to. I think we're gonna need a bit more salt to mix it all around.
I don't know. Let's Right now the veggies are done. We're gonna mix them up and we'll put them in the oven at 450 degrees and we'll have vegetable lasagna filling.
Do it.
All right. You want to go ahead and let you get the head started here?
So I didn't get to film everything, but here's a little sample of us making all the sauces and getting the water ready for boiling pasta. We did everything from scratch, but feel free to use canned stuff or bottled stuff if you're short in time.
So we're going to take our dough that we've had resting for a little bit and we're going to start to roll it out. We're going to try to push the mass to the outside. We're going to keep moving it around so it doesn't stick to the table too badly. And we're just going to keep working. We're going to get it pretty thin. We need to make lasagna out of this. So we need this to be very thin. We're looking like eighth of an inch, maybe a little thinner. And these are all pretty small to begin with. I'm a little surprised about it, but we're going to keep working with it back and forth until it starts growing in size and we can cut lasagna out of it. And so we have a bunch of these and we're going to just keep working with it. So this process is going to take a little bit of time and I'm going to edit all this out.
I was really fortunate that I had so many hungry helpers there to help me. You can see Angry Angie there. He ended up rolling out almost all the pasta himself. So for the lasagna layering you see here, I'm adding the first layer of just a little bit of sauce on the bottom of the pan. Then after you've cooked your noodles in water like regular pasta, start using it to make the lasagna. Make sure to use a lot of cheese in each layer. So each layer using ricotta, Parmesan, and mozzarella cheese. And then on top of it, add a lot of sauce. I ended up being a little bit more soupy than I would have liked. I think I could have cooked the pasta sauce down a little bit. So also starting with hot ingredients, which isn't always the case. So feel free to make some of the stuff in advance. For the top layer, just add more cheese, and then you're all done making your lasagna.
And this is our lasagna that's about to go in the oven. We're all ready to go. Great.
Looks great now.
Thank you. Thank you all for your help.
I had a really good time making lasagna. We ended up eating all of the meat lasagna and most of the vegetable lasagna. It was also really fun taking over the Lehigh U Snap story, so thank you, Lehigh U, for giving me that opportunity. You can see here that my first go at taking out a slice of the lasagna. Didn't go quite as well as I'd hoped, but it went pretty well. The vegetable lasagna actually had a much better consistency. Tasted very good as well. Um, but overall, it was a lot of fun. Glad I got my first opportunity making lasagna and had a lot of fun with all the hungry helpers who came and helped me make the lasagna and eat it too.